Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chineye Obi. Today we'll be discussing the 5 benefits of chewing, like chewing. Yes, so chewing is an activity that I find people struggle with. You see, people put food into their mouth and just swallow, especially rice because of its small nature, probably indomie too because it's light, and some people spaghetti too, even eggs. But this is me now. I want us to learn some things, some new things on how or why we should chew our food properly. Chewing actually it's the first form of activity that goes on in the digestive system, because the food we put into the mouth goes through chewing by our teeth, then our saliva softens it and rolls it into a bolus before it goes down into our esophagus, then to the stomach. And chewing actually helps. Number one, chewing helps to reduce work of the stomach. When you chew your food properly, your stomach has little more work to do, rather than having to still churn down the unproperly chewed food. Your stomach will just go straight to releasing enzymes and also digesting this food. Number two, chewing actually helps to remove the earwax from our ears. Yes, the earwax is actually a natural form, a natural inhabitant of our ear that helps to trap dirt and particles. So usually when we chew, or normally when we chew, that form of chewing actually helps most of those airwax to actually come out on its own naturally. Because yes, if you do not know, it is wrong to actually put in cotton bud into your ear, all in the name of cleaning the ear. That will be a story for another day actually. Then number three, chewing actually helps you eat less, thereby achieving or helping with weight loss. Because when you chew, you tend to be full or filled up fast, because the more you chew your food, the more you get be filled up faster, thereby the quantity of food or the amount of food you tend to eat is actually reduced compared to when you're eating fast without chewing. You tend to consume more that way than when you chew and eat slowly. Number four, chewing actually helps with body repair and also body tissue generation and tissue growth. Why did I say this? There is usually in the digestion of protein is actually broken down into amino acids, and amino acids is actually what breaks or works in function of tissue growth and body repair. And if you don't chew properly, most of these amino acids gotten from our food might not be fully digested, and when they are not digested, how does the body now tend to get these things for tissue repair or body growth repair? So that is why we need to chew our food properly, so that these amino acids gotten from protein is released properly or adequately into the body bloodstream, so as to enhance growth and tissue repair. Number five, chewing actually helps with fat metabolism too, because there's an enzyme in the stomach which, when with more saliva being mixed with the food, that enzyme is released also into the food and helps to metabolize fat. And with the metabolism of fat, it also prevents indigestion, because when you don't chew properly and these enzymes are not released as they ought to, you can experience indigestion and also bloating. So when you do not chew properly, you can experience all these things, and fat metabolism is also impaired. So this is why you should chew properly. Then I think that is the fifth. Am I right? Yes. So thank you for watching. I hope you took got value, and I hope after today you're going to start chewing your food, or after seeing this video you start chewing your food if you have not been doing so. And if you have been chewing properly, well, kudos to you, and please keep it up. That is what your body needs. Your body will actually, or will thank you for it. So I hope you got value from this video. Please, if you did, hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the notification bell so that you get to know anytime I upload a new video. Kindly do share this video with friends and loved ones. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.